In this video, we are going to discuss about the intraday stocks for 7th December 2021 and the day would be Tuesday. Now in previous video, we have discussed that this is going to be the resistance for now. And we also discussed that from here, it should make a W pattern and go up. Now if this confirms the high and low, lower high, lower low formation, if it breaks this level, then the downtrend will continue. Otherwise, it is also kind of a W pattern, so it should come a little bit down before going up. So that's what I said. Now you can watch yesterday's video, that is video for 6th December, the previous video in the channel, and you can see we can clearly discuss this scenario. And that's what happened. It crossed the low and it fell drastically. Now this is a kind of a Nifty is about to make a decisive move. Either it is going to form a W and it's going to go upside, or it is going to confirm the lower low, and fall downside. So in any way we can find a decisive move in Nifty. In 1 hour chart also you can see from here it was a clean sell-off, a landslide kind of sell-off. It is so weak, there is no chance of it going anything. Now this is going to act as support, 16,800, and on the upside now 17,000, 17,200, these are going to act as resistance, but major resistance will be at 17,400. So tomorrow we can expect some movement. So if it opens flat anywhere within this, then it is going to come down to test 16,800 level, and if it opens gap down, then also it is going to come, but in that case 16,850, 16,900 will act as support. So we are not going to look for a buy. But one thing is that if you look, then all the stocks and all the sectors of Nifty is down. So all the stocks, almost all the stocks, all 50 Nifty stocks are down, and almost all the stocks and all the sectors of Nifty is down. And I couldn't find one stock to buy tomorrow, and there are 4 sell lists today. And this is my observation, that whenever this happened, that I couldn't find one stock for buying tomorrow, and all the 4 stock that I selected is on the selling side, from that point market bounced back, and vice versa. So let's look at Bank Nifty. Now since every market is down, Bank Nifty is also down, but it's coming near the crucial levels of 35,500. That is where it is going to take support. And if 35,500 is broken on the downside, then we are going to sell aggressively for another 300 to 500 point on the downside. And on the upside, now 37,000 will act as resistance. So in previous video I discussed that this is the range in which Bank Nifty is about to trade, and when one side will be broken, that time only we can make decisive move either on the upside or on the downside. Now this is also a neckline star formation, so if it comes down, we are going to sell for these levels of 35,500. That is the immediate target that we can see. Now tomorrow, immediately if it opens flat within the body of this candle, then it is going to come down, and 35,500 may come within first 15-minute candle itself. And if it opens with a gap down, then we will see the price action. So if it opens with a gap down, then we will see the price action, whether it is coming down, then we are going to sell, and if it is going up, then we are going to buy for this target. And on the downside, 35,500 is the level we are going to see. If this is broken, then we are going to sell more aggressively. But if it opens gap up, then also we will see price action, and we will sell for these levels of 35,750 as target. So that's what our plans for tomorrow. Now let's look at stocks. The first stock is IndusInd Bank. You can see that From here it fell like a landslide, and it has given a pullback, and from there it is coming down. So if this low is broken, then we are going to sell below 914, keeping 5 rupees as stop loss and 1:2 target on the upside. Now if it comes down, if it has to make a lower low, then this level can be our target, and if it moves up from here, then our level will not come. The next stock is HCL Tech. As you can see that this is the level resistance from where it fell. Then from 2 consecutive days it fell. This is a concerning candle, and if this low is taken out, then we are going to sell HCL Tech tomorrow for intraday below 1134, keeping a 5 to 7 point as stop loss and 1:2 target on the downside, and these levels we can achieve. The next stock is Tata Motors. You can see that there is a gap pending that was never filled, and this is the low. It was highly volatile within this range. Now from there it fell. It is trying to make a pullback and is coming down, so this level can be tested again. So if tomorrow 466 is broken on the downside, 465, 466 is broken on the downside, we are going to sell, keeping a 3 to 5 point as stop loss and 1:2 target will be downside for intraday. The next stock is HDFC AMC. You can see this is a bearish engulfing candle, and this is also, it kind of consolidated before a fall, and now it is volatile, and now if it falls, then these levels can come again. If 2523 is broken or 2520 is broken on the downside, then we are going to sell below 2520. We will have a 10-point stop loss and 1:2 will be the target on the downside. So that is for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching.